Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today, I'm gonna share with you how to open an Etsy shop in 2023. So let's get started. So this is gonna be an updated video na ginawa ko last 2 years ago. I'll not go into more details pero i-explain ko yung mga nadagdag. So these are the things that you need before signing up on Etsy. So first is yung Gmail account. So like if you have a personal email account, I suggest na mag-open ka ng another Gmail account for your business. And then the second one is the TIN number. So if you're a student or underage, kailangan mong gamitin yung TIN ng parents or guardian mo. And then the third one is the debit or credit card. So in this video, I'm using a UB debit card. So saving siya. Free lang yung pag-deliver ng card. Tapos 350 pesos yung fee niya every year if hindi mo ma-maintain yung 10,000 na maintaining balance niya. So, yung first year is free, mawawave siya. And then, the succeeding years is kailangan mo nang magbayad pag hindi mo na-meet yung maintaining threshold na sinet ni UB. And then, the next one is yung valid ID, any government IDs. So, kailangan siya pang verification mamaya. And then, the next one is you need to download Google Authenticator on your mobile phones kasi kailangan siya sa last step para mamaya. And this is for the security of your shop. And then, the last one is you need to have at least one product listing kasi required siya when opening a shop on Etsy. So, this is my Etsy shop referral link. So, if you sign up with this link, you and I can have free 40 listings. So, magagamit mo siya to create 40 products. So, yung one listing costs 0.20 cents US dollars. If hindi mo makuha yung free 40 listings once na nag-sign up ka, you need to email Etsy customer support. So, click lang natin yung open a shop today and enter your email address. And then, click continue. And then, enter your first name and password and click register. So, ito na yung welcome message. So, click lang natin yung let's do this. And then, may mga questions lang si Etsy that you need to answer or you can skip the questions. But in this video, sagutan ko lang yung mga tanong na naka-prompt sa website. So, once done, click lang natin yung start your shop. And then, ito na yung first step. Ito yung shop preferences. So, yung shop language, as is lang yung ginawa ko, default, English, shop country, Philippines, and shop currency, Philippine peso. So, click lang natin yung save and continue. So, next is yung name your shop. So, type mo lang dito kung anong gusto mong name ng shop mo. And then, click save and continue. So, next is yung create a listing. So, ito yung product na ginawa mo na i-add natin dito sa Etsy shop. So, ito yung sample na ginawa ko sa Canva. So, it's a very simple design. Custom text lang siya na 5x7. And then, sa thumbnail naman, I'll write down yung size sa description ng video. So, bali, i-upload lang natin yung thumbnail na ginawa natin sa Canva dito sa Etsy. And then, mag-add tayo ng title ng product. Who made it? I did. What is it? A finished product. When did you make it? So there's two options, made to order or recently. If it's made to order na digital products, walang options to upload products in the bottom part. But if you choose 2020 to 2023 and then you scroll down, magsho-show na yung upload products. So, yung difference is, pag made to order, ikaw yung gagawa and then you will deliver the products to the customer. It's either via email or dun sa Etsy order page. And then the other one, which is recently, is wala nang gagawin. It's like a passive income wherein once na na-create mo na yung product, so wala ka nang gagawin and si buyer na lang yung magda-download nun. So, next is we need to add a product description on our listing. So, mag-add lang tayo. And then, change ko lang to sa made to order since ako yung gagawa ng product once na nag-order si buyer. Next natin is yung category. So, add lang tayo ng categories related sa product listing natin. So, next is yung tags. This is optional pero kailangan natin siyang gawin kasi ito yung nag-work para sa SEO natin, which is para mapataas yung ranking natin sa search results ni Etsy. So, kailangan talaga na i-complete natin yung 13 tags na binigay ni Etsy. Next is yung price and quantity. So, kayo nang bahala mag-set ng price regarding sa product nyo and then kung ilang quantity yung ilalagay nyo. So pagtapos na tayo, i-click lang natin yung save and continue. You can choose whether you can add more listings or you can do this later. So I'll do this later. So the fourth step is how to get paid. Where is your bank located? Sa dropdown, check lang natin yung Philippines. And then for tax purposes, click lang natin yung individual. And then dito sa tell us a little bit about yourself, you just need to input yung country of residence, first name, last name, your date of birth, TIN number, and then your taxpayer address. And then you also need to input your bank information. So yung full name, meron na siya. Ang kailangan na lang is your bank name, SWIFT, BIC, and then your account number. So once done, click save and continue. So yung next is we need to upload valid ID. So any government ID na meron kayo, you can upload. Upload ko lang yung sa akin. And then click save and continue. And then click go to shop. So yung second to the last step natin is yung setup billing. So dito mag-add ka ng credit card, but I'm using UB debit card on this video. So yung card ko na ginamit is parehas na UB debit card. So, add lang din ako ng billing address ko and then click save and continue. So, yung last step natin is we need to download Google Authenticator app on our mobile phones. This is for the security of our Etsy shop. So, ito yung nadagdag kay Etsy. So, as stated in the website, only selected countries are available yung SMS. So, para sa Pilipinas, ang kailangan natin is yung authenticator. So, select lang natin yung Google Authenticator from the drop-down and then click continue. So, i-click lang natin ulit yung continue and then follow lang natin yung process and then open natin yung Authenticator app and scan the QR code and then enter natin yung code na na-receive natin sa app. So, once okay na, magbibigay lang si Etsy nung backup. Like, if ever mawala yung Google Authenticator mo, makakapag-sign up ka pa din gamit yung backup na codes na binigay ni Etsy. So, once okay na, click mo lang yung open your shop and then you're good to go. So, this is my shop. As you can see, sinet agad siya ni Etsy to vacation mode. But there are two ways to retrieve it now, I think, kasi nag-sign up ako yesterday. Hindi ko lang siya na-record, but may message lang dun si Etsy na kailangan kong i-upload uli yung government ID ko. And when I uploaded it, gumana na agad yung shop ko. So the second one is you need to email Etsy support. So I already have a video on this sa bio ko, so you can also watch it. And yun lang guys, I hope you will succeed on your Etsy journey. Bye guys, see you in my next video!